Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you some facts about Moharram. Moharram is the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Moharram is one of the 4 sacred months. Moharram was the month that Muhammad's grandson Imam Hussein was martyred. The Battle of Karbala started in Moharram. You can fast on the 9th, 10th, and 11th of Muharram. Muharram is the month of Allah. In the month of Muharram, the Jews and Prophet Musa were saved by the arrogant Pharaoh. In Muharram, Nuh's ark landed on Mount Judai. If you fast on the 10th of Muharram, all the sins of the previous year will be wiped away. Muharram is the most sacred month to fast after Ramadan. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad used to fast a lot in Muharram. The 10th of Muharram is called Ashura and it is observed by fasting. Fasting on the 10th of Muharram is very ancient, and Prophet Musa fasted on this day, giving thanks to Allah. Muharram starts the beginning of the Muslim era and is called Hijri. Prophet Muhammad went from Makkah to Medina on the first day of Muharram. Islamic New Year is a time to offer prayers and think about the past year and ask forgiveness from Allah. I hope you like my facts about Muharram. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.